Hey guys, welcome to another day in the woods. So today me and Remy's heading up, kind of chasing a storm that's coming in. It's supposed to get pretty bad. 30-40 mile an hour winds with gusts even higher than that. 3 to 5 inches of snow. So we're trying to get up there. Clouds are rolling in pretty quickly right now. It's only 66 degrees right now, but temperatures are supposed to plummet. It's supposed to get down to 15-16 degrees. So we're going to set up camp, cook some good food, and have a good time. You guys stick around. Hey guys, well, we're here, and hopefully my dead cat's working on my camera here, and it's knocking down some of this wind. But we found a spot that we like. I'll show it to you. Already some firewood, and hopefully these trees block a little bit of the wind. Gonna get this tent set up, and hopefully it don't blow away. Hey guys, tent's up, guide out. I've guided out everywhere possible in anticipation for tonight. So there is a winter storm warning, but we're prepared. This is the Nature Hike Dune 7.2, 7.6, something like that. Brand new, want to try it out, and tonight I'm going to put it to the test. And as you can see, I have it guide out 6 different places. I've got it staked down. It opens up on both ends, kind of get some breeze through there. I don't think we're going to be needing much of a breeze tonight. So it does have a stove jack in it. It is made for a tent stove. I'm going to go ahead and get the tent stove set up, get some wood collected, and get the bed set up for me and Remy tonight. Well guys, here's the setup for tonight. I got a 52-inch Lost Horizon blow-up foam mattress. It's got an R value of, I don't know, something crazy, like 7 or 9. Anyway, we got the Teton negative 35-degree sleeping bag and a wool blanket for Remy. She's gonna have her own down jacket tonight to sleep in anyway, along with a wool blanket. She ain't gonna be cold, but so I probably should have brought a couple more stovepipes. It's not as high above the tent as I would like, but I got it guyed off on both sides, so hopefully it'll stay in place. Well guys, everything's up. Everything's ready for the night. We got the firewood cut up. All the beds ready to go. And clouds are rolling in. You wanna go play some ball? You wanna go play some ball? take Remy for a little walk before it gets dark. You guys want to tag along? Let's go. What we got here? Interesting. Wow. That's pretty cool. Sinkhole, I guess. Let me know. Wow. Well, that's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Well guys, that's gonna do it for today. We are gonna crawl into bed. Remy's already in bed. That's probably where she'll sleep tonight. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna sleep. We'll see you guys in the morning. Have a good night. Hey, good morning everyone. Well, I gotta be brutally honest with you. It was a pretty miserable night, guys. Only got a couple hours of sleep. It finally dumped some snow. I haven't even been outside yet, but I can tell by the droop in the tent how much snow's on it. Burned through a lot of the wood. Did finally let the fire go out, but kept it pretty warm in here. Yeah, it's only 19 outside right now, so we're gonna get up and get going, get moving around. So yeah, I guess it did drop a little snow, huh guys? Pretty nice. Beautiful. Well guys, there's a lot of snow on the ground, and we're a pretty good ways up in here, so I don't know if we want to try to get out of here this morning or try to do another night, because it's not looking too good out there. It's supposed to dump more snow tonight. Yeah, there's about 8 inches of snow on the truck, so that's not including wind drifts on the truck, so that's actual snow that it dumped. So 8 inches, should be able to get out of here in 4-wheel drive, but if it dumps more, it could be bad. So I'm gonna see if it looks like it's gonna clear up a little bit. I'm gonna sit here and relax and have a cup of hot chocolate and Just enjoy the snow. Yeah, doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon, guys. May be stuck here if we stay. Let's see what the temp is. 20.7 degrees. Warmed up a little bit. Words cannot describe it. Wow. Wow, guys. Well, I'm gonna finish up my breakfast. I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's not gonna get any better. So yeah, we're gonna start breaking down, guys, and see if we can get out of here. guys, thanks for joining us on this trip. We had to cut it short. That sucks, but it is what it is. It's coming down pretty good, guys. I may not even get out of here. I may be staying whether I want to or not. If I do, I'll film it. All right, guys, I'm going to try to get out of here. See you next time.